Good morning. It's Monday the 16th of August on a pretty dismal Monday morning in Frankfurt. My name is Christopher Charlton. I'm here to give you our weekly review on the markets, what we expect. First of all, last week we started a major theme saying that we believed that the US dollar had started a major uptrend. The reasons mainly due to lower growth and flight to quality. If you look at last week's video, we described it in more detail. This is the chart we put up. Actually, what happened was that we did see quite a strong rally last week in the dollar. Quite not as we expected from a timing point of view, but it was more due to the FOMC meeting on Tuesday, where the Fed came out saying that they were more uncertain about the future of the US economy, and if they are, then the market should be as well, or thought they might as well be, and the US equity markets were sold off and the dollar rallied. It was one of the major themes. The other was the strong growth figures coming out of Germany against the weaker ones in Greece and Ireland, and that again brought the Eurosceptics out in force, and the euro was sold off. Greece, which shows a negative growth, that the market seemed surprised. I find that rather surprising. You would expect that that's going to be the case. Greece has a problem that they have too much debt, that they have no chance of growing out of that debt. They're going to have to restructure, default or restructure their debt. That is I think this is a given. I don't understand why the markets are so surprised at those problems. The only question is, when will it happen? And it probably will only happen in a year to 2 years' time. They do not need to tap the international markets again until middle of next year. The other issue, of course, is that the US actually is in exactly the same position as Greece in the sense that it has too much debt and it will not be able to grow out of it. That is an issue that will come to haunt us over the coming years, and one thing is absolutely clear, that growth is going to be benign over the next maybe 5 years. But let's take it one step at a time. Let's look at the US dollar, and today we'll look at then the euro dollar, because the euro was sold off last week, and we'll try to fine tune it for this week. We've got a pretty strong support around the 127 area, and I would expect that area to hold. Maybe it could actually just dip below. It could even dip down to 126.5. From there, more likely we're going to sort of consolidate, and we should be moving back up towards the 130 area. That's where the pretty crucial test will be. If we do get up there and we fail at that level, then I think it's pretty well confirmed that we're starting a new downtrend for the euro and an uptrend for the dollar. So for this week, probably we're going to be in a sort of 126, 130 range for the euro dollar. See how we go, and I wish you all a good week. Thanks.